Hello children, how are you all? I hope you must be fit and fine. Okay, so please take your studies seriously. Nowadays, we don't know this COVID 19 problem, your coronavirus problem, will continue for how long we don't know. Okay, so you don't have to leave your study, you have to keep studying. Okay, okay, so I hope all of you will keep studying and take these videos seriously. I am going one by one, topic wise topic. Each topic I am teaching you, okay, and I am sending you the videos, okay. So watch each and every video. If you don't understand anything, just rewind the video, watch it again, and you'll get the answer. If and at the end of the chapter, every time at the end of the chapter, I used to give you the questions. So all the questions you have to complete in your copy. Got it? Okay, now come to the point. So, in the last class, we have already studied the diet. Okay, about diet we have studied. Got it? Then we studied about meal we have studied in the last class. Then we studied this what is nutrient we studied, and 7 types of nutrients we studied. What are those 7 types of nutrients found in the food? Carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, roughage, and water. Okay. So later on we'll discuss all these 7 types of nutrients one by one. We'll discuss. Got it? Now today we are going to discuss different types of food. Okay, components of food. As the name suggests, the name of the chapter is what? Components of food. So we are going to discuss energy yielding food. Means the food which gives us energy. Okay, which gives energy to our body. Okay, those such food items are called as energy yielding food. Means after eating, quickly we'll get the energy to do work, to do any activity. Got it? So such food items are called as energy yielding food. And in what kind of nutrients it is found? Carbohydrates and fats. Okay, carbohydrates are mainly found in starch containing food items such as rice, wheat, banana, potato, corn, etc. Okay, so carbohydrates and fats, you can see here. Once again I am showing you carbohydrates and fats are oxidized in the body and produce bioenergy. Okay, what does it mean? Means carbohydrate and fat, okay, are found in some foods. Okay, and when we eat it, then it's break into pieces, very minute particles, and the rest, the energy from those food items which breaks, and it is absorbed in the cell of our body, and it gives us energy, and waste products come out from our body. Okay, so they are oxidized in the body and produce bioenergy means energy to our body by which we can do any work. Okay, so you can see here the energy yielding foods. So these are energy yielding foods. Can you see here? Okay, rice is there. You can see here. Rice is there, bread is there, chapati is there, potato, banana. You must have seen while playing cricket, MS Dhoni, Mahendra Singh Dhoni always used to eat banana. Have you seen? While playing in the break, while playing cricket. Why? So that quickly he gets the energy by eating banana. Okay. So these are called as what? Energy yielding food. Means after eating these foods, we get energy quickly. Okay. And in what food items energy are there? Carbohydrates and fats. Okay. Now come to another part, second part. So one thing, energy yielding food. If the question will come, what are energy yielding food? So what you'll write? What you'll write for energy yielding food? food such as carbohydrates and fats are oxidized in the body and produce bioenergy to do activity by the body. Such food items are called as energy yielding foods. And examples you can give: rice, wheat, banana, potato. With example you have to write. Okay. Now come to another type of food. Bodybuilding food. Can you see? Bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food. So food components such as proteins are major structural components of body and are required for bodybuilding. Okay. Protein. Bodybuilding. Bodybuilding food. What are the bodybuilding foods? In protein we get bodybuilding phase. Means if we eat it, our body will become more strength and will become will have more strength. Our body will develop properly. Okay. So what kind of food, what kind of nutrients are there which help in building our body? Protein. Okay. What kind of nutrient? Protein. And in what kind of food items proteins are found? You can see here: milk, egg, meat, fish, pulses and nuts. So all these are what? Proteins, sources of protein, and they are bodybuilding foods. You can see in the picture here. Okay. Can you see here? Meat, fish, fish is there, dairy products, chicken, nuts, vegetables, eggs, again chicken is given. Okay. So all these food items are what? Bodybuilding food. Means it helps in developing our body, muscular. These food items make our body muscular and develop our, it helps in growth of our body, maintain the tissue, damaged tissue. Okay. So these are called as what? Bodybuilding food items. Okay. And what are this? These are called as what? These are protein. In these food items protein are there, and in whichever food protein will be there, it will help in building our body and repairing our tissue. Got it? So you can write what is bodybuilding food. You can write down. Okay. Now come to another part, that is third part. What is the third type of food? Protective food. Can you see here? Protective food. Protective food like vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are known as micronutrients because our body requires them only in small quantity. Okay. Vitamins and minerals. 7 types of minerals we have studied. What are those? Fats, carbohydrates, then minerals, vitamins, protein, roughage and water. So about fat and carbohydrate we have studied. They are what? What kind of food? Energy giving food. Then protein we have studied. Protein means they help in building our body. Just now we have seen protein. Okay, bodybuilding food. Then protective food. Protective food means these food items help to protect our body from disease. Okay, they protect our body from disease. So they are called as protective food. Okay. And what kind of nutrients protect our body from disease? Vitamins and minerals. These are the nutrients. And vitamins and minerals are found in what kind of food items? So you can see here what kind of food items. You can see here. These are the food items which are protective food items. Okay. All the fruits and green vegetables. Okay. You can see here all kinds of fruits are there, and green vegetables are there. Okay. So they are the source of what? They are the source of vitamins and minerals, and they protect our body from disease. So what you will say about protective food, protective food items? So vitamins and minerals are the nutrients. Okay. Vitamins, you can see here, vitamins and minerals are the food items which protect our body from disease, help to fight against the disease. So these are called as, it protects from the disease and help to fight against the disease. So these are called as what? Protective food items. Okay, example you can give. So three types of food we have discussed. What are those three types of food? Energy yielding food, then body building food, and what else? Protective food. And all the examples you can see here. Okay, so you can write down. If I'll give you the question, okay, so you have to write down. Got it? So you have to solve these questions. What are energy yielding food? Give examples. What are bodybuilding food? Give examples. What are protective food? Give example. Just now we have studied all these topics, isn't it? Just now we have studied. So you'll solve all these three questions. Got it? So see you in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day to all of you. Thank you.